Today is my birthday. We at Cidercade, and this is how I'm spending it. You the champion, kid. So it was cool in there. It was like $12 to get in, and $12 is all day. You don't have to pay for any games. You just pay the $12 to get in, and then you can stay there all day. The kids are good all day until 9 p.m. And then after 9 p.m., it's only adults allowed to be in there until midnight. And they have drinks, bar and stuff like that you can check out in there. They got some outdoor seating. They got a ton of games in there, even games that aren't American, games that were from like Japan. Now we're about to go over to the Cheesecake Factory and get something to eat. So we made it to the Cheesecake Factory. I'm excited. I'm getting the steak Diane. MJ wanted the macaroni and cheese balls that they got. And Anara, she's getting the chicken strips with fruit. Everybody's getting what they want. All right, so hear me out. This bread right here, this bread is actually pretty good when you mix it, when you put the butter on it. But you just gotta get hard. You get past this rock hard outer shell. That mug is rock hard. So look, this is what I'll be doing. You see, I scoop the inside out, and then I dip. I take the inside and I put the inside the butter. That smells good. It's good like this. The real, I like it better than the brown bread. Don't hate me for it. Bro, this joint is rock hard. What the heck? Who told them that was a good idea to make the bread like this? Bro, not only you gonna scratch your mouth, like the gum and everything all up in your mouth by eating this, bro. This show might cause you to break some teeth. Like, you hear how hard that mug is. Look, and it's not even cracking. Like, it's not even cracking. That's insane. Let's show you what we got. Birthday boy got the steak Diane, a side of spinach, and strawberry lemonade. Kid number one, he wanted the mac and cheese balls. Couldn't convince him to get anything else. And he got a strawberry lemonade. Kid number two, she wanted the chicken strips and fruit. Strawberry lemonade. All right, let me get some with everything in it. Then make the steak Diane a bit dry. Got some spinach, got a mushroom in there, got some steak. Great combo. Alright. So my son, he just he ordered these macaroni balls, right? And it has like a cheese marinara sauce at the bottom. He said it tastes like laundry tuna. So I took it upon myself to try it. These mugs are good. I don't know where he got his taste buds from, but it wasn't from me. These mugs are good. Bro. And remember I got seafood too? yeah. I'm not good, man. I would eat my mouthful. I wasn't gonna do nothing today for my birthday. Because of things I got going on in my life right now. So I wasn't gonna do anything for my birthday today, but I said, you know what? Let me just let me get outside and get some fresh air. Take the kids get some fresh air too. So we out here. We out here, but we're gonna go back home. We're going back home and we're going to sleep. At least that's what I'm gonna do. The kids, they probably play the game or whatever. I'm gonna take me a quick little nap. Just waiting on that dessert. Strawberry shortcake. Strawberry cheesecake. Strawberry shortcake. That's pretty good. This is my second favorite strawberry shortcake. My first favorite is my Aunt Jackie's strawberry shortcake. That's the strawberry shortcake that introduced me to strawberry shortcake. The strawberry shortcake is my favorite cake. This is my second favorite type of strawberry shortcake at the Cheesecake Factory. This mug is loaded. What they got in here, right? They got the strawberries, got whipped cream, and they got these little shortcake biscuits. And then inside the shortcake biscuits, they got ice cream. Vanilla ice cream inside the shortcake biscuits. Hold closer. Yeah, that melted because I've been actively eating this mug already. You see the ice cream in there. And then you see the whipped cream. And of course you see the strawberries. This mug. It's good. Good indeed. It was a great birthday with my kids, man. I see you, man. It was a great birthday with my kids. I truly enjoyed their company today. Nice, chill, intimate birthday. One of the best ones I've had in many years. So, for me, year 37 has come to an end. And I'm so very grateful for that year. Because that was a very insightful year for me. It was a beautiful and tragic year. And an amazing year, all wrapped into one. What have I learned in year 37? I've learned a ton of humility, massive amount of empathy, understanding. I've learned some really, really great life, personal skills. Year 37 was very challenging, heartbreaking. I've lost a lot of people in year 37. Year 37 was a new birth for me. It was almost as important to me as year one. The day before my birthday, I lost my grandmother on my father's side. Without her, I wouldn't exist, obviously. I appreciate what she contributed to my life. I had a year of ups and downs. I'm grateful for each one of those low moments. And I am also grateful for each one of those high moments. I went from, in my year 37, from being married to being divorced. I went from living close to the country out in Aubrey to living in the city, uptown Dallas. I went from never selling a home to selling some homes. I went from never listing a home for sale in my year 37 to listing quite a few homes. Year 37 taught me how to better understand my children. It taught me how to better understand, read people. It taught me who's actually really here for me in my life. It taught me to not take things for granted and not take people for granted and be very appreciative and grateful for every moment, no matter how boring the moment may seem. Before I turned 37, I would drink from time to time. I wasn't an alcoholic or anything like that, but I did consume alcohol from time to time. Right when I turned 37, I said, no more. I'm not drinking alcohol anymore. When I stopped drinking alcohol, I've lost almost 50 pounds in year 37. I lost a lot of weight. I gained a new mindset in year 37. I got a new car, new apartment. It's basically just a new life. My new birth in 37 has brought me to this year of 38 that I'm so humbly grateful and appreciative for. And I'm looking forward to everything 38 have in store for me, because I know that there's a lesson in everything, no matter how rough, how terrible it may seem. There's a lesson in every little thing. So that's why everything I'm grateful for it, and I'm appreciative for it, and I can have a smile on my face because I have a joy like I've never had before. I have the understanding of things in life that I've never had before. I'm in a place in my life, a place of peace, a place of a resolve. It's because I have so much joy and happiness within myself. It's beautiful. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm grateful for 38. We here. Hey, happy birthday to me. I love me, and I want you to love you.